you can see, this is our... wala nang free to. Ayan, walang free yan. And it's uncovered. Kitang-kita nyo, ito ay isang lugaw. At dahil wala lang naman to, lugaw lang naman. Any one of us, kumakain ng lugaw. Our bidding will start at 20 Starstruck bucks.
20.
20? I'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and it's sold for Christian and Jade for 20 Starstruck box. Ayan, napakasimple lang. Lugaw lang yan, no? Na may dalawang mata ng baka.
That's my favorite though.
Yeah, na kailangan mong ubusin. Okay, go. Ano lang bang mata?
Oh, ice.
Di ba? Oo, ice. Kayo din, may ice.
I'm all shaking. I'm so hungry. Oh, here you go first. I didn't want to give it to her.
Yan. Wow.
Masarap, di ba?
Diba? Parang pang-commercial, di ba? Yung mata, yes.
Picking up in here too.
Yan.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah! Oh, yeah! Come on!
Huh?
Ano yung eye? Inuna muna niyo yung eyeballs.
Wow! Parang...
Eyeballs. Sarap naman yan. Go! Go, Christian! Go, Christian! Go! Hey! So, may advantage na silang dalawa. Yung eyesight nila pang tao at saka pang cow. Alam mo, nagulat ako si Christian. Kasi diba, may pagka-fill-am siya, at saka kaslang yung boses niya. Tapos kumakain siya ng mata ng baka.